Alright, good morning teachers, good morning future LPTs. Here I am again, I'm Sir Bel Gonzaga. I'm an LPT and master's degree holder, major in curriculum and instruction. And now, we're going to have a daily drills. Now, pag nandito kayo, ay magkakaroon na po tayo ng daily drills about the actual board, Prof Ed, Gen Ed, and our majorship. Okay, now, sa mga ina-upload ko po palang mga videos about lahat po yun is actual bird. Okay? Actual bird po lahat yun. And then to give you a brief ideas, lahat po ng LED exam ay pinabalik-balik na lang po yan. Iniiba lamang po yung mga names and then the situations. But the concept behind that question is still the same. Okay? So, okay, simulan na natin. Now, let us have first discuss about Prof Ed. It's also an actual word. Okay. Which of the following can be the least to consider if we desire to rebuild and reform a new educational landscape in the country? Okay, sa pagbabasa po pala ng board exam, dapat niyong basahin at least twice po. Okay, twice. Dalawang beses niyo dapat basahin yung question para mas mag-gets niyo agad yung idea. Okay, huwag yung isa lang kasi maraming nagkakamali dyan. Okay, and then tandaan nyo rin yung mga keyword dyan sa question, yung mga not, list, ayan, may nakita kayong list. Ano pa, iba pang mga keyword na isang word lang ay posible kayong magkapalit. Okay? Now, again, which of the following can be the less to consider if we desire to rebuild and reform a new educational landscape in the country? A. Empower teachers and the powerful tools for effective teaching and learning process. B. Have a paradigm shift in system thinking on school governance and operations. Okay. C. Redirect and assist students on the use of technology and social media while veering away its potential hazards to them. And D. Make additional content in the curriculum to further knowledge and information systems. Okay, I'll give you a chance to think the best answer. Our correct answer is C, which is redirect and assess students on the use of technology and social media while veering away its potential hazards to them. This could be considered the least to prioritize because while guiding students in responsible technology use is important, it may not be as fundamental or crucial to reforming the educational system as empowering teachers. Okay, remember LPT cuties, yung tinutukoy po dito hindi yung more or yung mas the best, kundi yung least. Okay, kung makikita nyo sa question ito po, least. Which of the following can be the least? Okay, it may not be as fundamental to reforming the educational system as empowering teachers, which is yung letter A, improving governance or revising the curriculum. These elements directly influence the structure and the delivery of education, whereas managing technology use is as supportive, which is as secondary focus. Okay, pang secondary lang po siya. It's not the main, but the secondary. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now let us proceed to the Gen Ed. So drill lang po tayo. Hope sana alam niyo na to. Okay. The value of x coordinate is called ano siya? X coordinate. Tinatawag natin siya abscissa. Okay, ayan, abscissa. The value of y coordinate is tinatawag nating ordinate. Y ordinate. Okay. Founder of Cartesian plane. Sino siya? He is René Descartes. Okay. At the point of intersection of the x and y axis. Point of intersection of the x and y axis. Tinatawag natin siyang origin. Okay? Origin. Again, x coordinate abscissa, y coordinate ordinate, and Cartesian plane founder René Descartes, and then intersection of x and y axis. Tinatawag natin siyang origin. Okay? Now, let's go now to our major ship, TLTVE, TICFOC. In a construction project, why is concrete considered as more workable than wood? Again, in a construction project, why is concrete considered as more workable than wood? A. Wood materials are hard to find nowadays. B. It's easy to mold it into desired shapes. C. Concrete is much heavy in weight. D. It is difficult to mold wood than concrete. Right? I'll give you 15 seconds to answer. Okay, the correct answer is letter B. Letter B, boy. It's easily molded into desired shapes, right? Concrete is considered more workable than wood because it can be poured into molds to take on virtually any desired shape before it sets. Pwede natin siyang i-carve, di ba? Pwede natin siyang i-sew or lagarayin, di ba? And then this flexibility makes it a preferred material in construction for creating various structural elements like beams, di ba? Columns, and slabs. Okay, who got 3? Okay, comment your score, teachers, future LPDs below. Thank you.